We're here trying to figure out how to debug an issue that's happening with the authentication. So let's do a quick inspect. I don't really care about this inspector at this point in time. What I really care about is this network. I'm seeing 200s, so we're happy. But let's reload the page and have a look. So getting a bunch of 200s. We're okay. 101. Yeah, nothing too interesting. These are weird. There's clearly something broken here. But 401, 401. So if we have a look here, we have this users one home, which is an authentication error. So if we really want to, we can um, copy the URL somewhere, pretty sure. Copy this guy, open a new tab. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh, okay. There we go. So we're getting unauthorized. It's expecting a token. No credentials were provided. We could probably go here and look at the response. Authentication credentials not provided. You can see that here. So we're getting an authentication error. So if we're getting an authentication error where credentials were not provided, that's a thing to do with headers. So we'll look at the headers. So it's asked goodreactions.fly.dev users/1. It's got a status of 401. But when we look at the request headers here, you'll see that there is no authentication header here. There's no bearer token being sent. Normally what you'd be expecting here is a bearer token. If I was to find a successful token site somewhere, it would show me one. So clearly what's happening is that the front end is failing to attach the authentication header when it's making its 401 request. So this is an issue with the front end not connecting correctly to the backend. And that's how you diagnose that. What you would expect to see here is an authentication header. Put this on raw mode and have a look. Yeah, but you'd be expecting to see that the same way you would expect to see it in Insomnia if you were if you were running Insomnia. Cool. There you go. That's how you figure it out.